Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how you can earn crypto without investing any money. Make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss out on anything. So let's get right into it. During my fellowship, I found out about this website gitcoin.co. On this website, you can learn, connect, fund, and the topic we are here for, earn crypto. So you can click on find ways to earn and it scrolls you down to earn for projects that matter. Click on earn again and now it takes you to the dedicated page. When you scroll down, you can find the ways to earn. You can earn through bounties, sponsored hackathons, and grant funding. We'll talk about all of them. If you scroll down a little, you can see the top earners on Gitcoin. Scroll to the end of the page and you'll see ready to earn. And here you can explore bounties, hackathons, and grants. So let's click on explore bounties. Bounties are usually either freelance work or associated with a hackathon. You can use the filters on the left hand side to find the bounties that suit you. If you're an absolute beginner to the space, you don't need to worry. We'll be releasing many videos on this topic, including roadmap on how to learn and various tutorials. So you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those. Now our next topic is hackathons. So let's go ahead and explore hackathons. Hackathons are development competitions where you're given a problem statement and you're supposed to build a solution for it, typically involving sponsors technology. You can even look up other websites like Devfolio or DevPost to find Web3 hackathons. The sponsors of these hackathons usually decide to pay you out in stablecoins or in their own coins. From both these lists of bounties and hackathons, you can see that the payout is usually enough for you to at least do it for your pocket money or even go full-time on it. Grants is community funding that is matched by Gitcoin. Gitcoin uses quadratic funding algorithm to support projects that are being supported by the community. There are basically two major differences between grants and the other two ways you could earn on this website. First is, grants are allotted for long-term projects and work in the ecosystem. So unlike hackathons and bounties, these can't be a one-off. And second, these cover a more diverse field of work. So you don't need to be building a dApp to get community support. Basically, if you have a YouTube channel that creates tutorial or a meme page on Twitter, you can still get community support as long as you're helping the ecosystem. You can even browse through different grants and help the projects you like. Now these are the most obvious ways of earning through Gitcoin, but there are more. You can go to community feed and town square. Here you have a feed kind of like Facebook, and whatever you post can be tipped. So that is another way of earning through Gitcoin. We have one last method left. In what's possible, you go to learn and you scroll down. You have learn through quests. Click on explore quests. Quests are a fun way to learn about Web3 ecosystem. You're given reading material which may range from 5 minutes to 20 minutes of reading. After that, you're given a short quiz with a really short time limit. Once you successfully complete the quiz, you get kudos from Gitcoin. Along with quests, you can also get kudos from other people, as well as one for monthly action and one for weekly action. Kudos are what you call a non-fungible token. Usually these are limited edition and you can either choose to gift it to someone or sell it to someone who wants to gift it to someone else. With that, we have covered all the possible ways you can earn through Gitcoin. Just to summarize, even if you're not a blockchain developer, you're just an artist, a memer, or a student, you can still earn through Gitcoin. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more blockchain related videos.